our need statement is voice control wheelchair for disabled people, and our title of the project is also same. This is our prototype. Our project is mainly depend on the voice commands which we are giving to the Bluetooth module. It goes through the Arduino and works as a wheelchair. As we give the commands to it, it moves like forward, backward, left, right, straight, stop. These are the commands which we are going to give the Bluetooth module through our device which we call a phone. We need to have an application, Arduino Bluetooth controller, which will be used to control this device. And this device is all made of all is depend on the only voice commands. If we give the voice commands wrong, then the output we will not get as we expected.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, I am Varun. The main objective of the project is to enable voice control wheelchair for disabled people. Is to be independent in any situations through we are disabled. It is very simple to handle it, and it is very easy, and it is the main our motto is even common people can also afford it, and it is very low in cost. And coming to existing solutions, there are three: normal wheelchair, joystick control wheelchair, remote control wheelchair. Normal wheelchair is nothing but it is normal wheelchair will move by manually with the help of one person assisted. And coming to joystick control wheelchair, it is a device which is used with the help of joystick. It will move with the help of joystick in going in the directions. Coming to remote control wheelchair, it is a device which is used with the help of remote, and with the help of remote we can control the wheelchair.
Good morning everyone. Myself T. Rajkumar. I'm team member is Jay. Title of the project is Voice Control Wheelchair for Disabled People, and I'm going to say about the user requirements. We have used software and hardware. In software, MNC code is used. It dumped the code in the Arduino board by the help of Android Arduino application, and hardware components are Arduino Uno R3, which is a motherboard of the product. HC05 Bluetooth module, which HC is a Bluetooth module which is connected by the mobile. It intakes the commands and gives the required amount of output. And the L298 motor driver. Motor driver is used to is a microcontroller which controls the motors by the intaking of the required input voltage. And the batteries gives the power supply to the Arduino. And the DC motors are used to rotate the wheels by the given commands. Jumper wires are used to connect as per the circuit diagram.
Myself Vaishnavi. Our team title is Voice Control Wheelchair for Disabled People. I'm from Team 8. Issue is this device is made for people who can't walk properly, who are physically disabled. Although we have a caregiver or assistant to assist the patient, but still he too has his own works and his life too. So using this voice control wheelchair, the patient can feel more independent, and he can move from one place to another place.
Good morning everyone, this is Swati. Our project is a voice control wheelchair for disabled people. Here I am explaining about the gaps in the existing system. The wheelchair can broken if we put the more amount of weight on the wheelchair, and also the speed of the wheelchair is very less compared to other wheelchairs, and the person can start the wheelchair with mobile phone only. Without mobile phone it cannot work. It is also one limitation in our project. And coming to methodology, in general the people with physically injured, they cannot move one place to another place, and the mobility of their hands does not, they cannot work, and they cannot move one place to another place, so they need a person to assist them. So the existing solutions for the disabled people's joystick and also remote control wheelchair. Here we are introducing a voice control wheelchair for poor peoples, and Compared to joystick, it is very less amount, and also however, hands and arms must be used to operate some wheelchairs, but here we don't need to use any hands, and we don't have person to move one place to another place. He can individually move one place to another place with voice commands. Here we are using Bluetooth module and also motor driver, batteries, Arduino. While using this method, we can operate the system.